Improving the air quality in your home might help fight the coronavirus.
Air cleaning can definitely help improve the air quality and reduce risk against COVID transmission. Air cleaning is a viable solution that we know from decades of research that it works to reduce airborne particles. Well, for smaller spaces like 500 square feet or less, you're fine getting a standalone air cleaner that can then recirculate air through the air cleaner, and it will remove the particles. And that's what you want, because it's the airborne particles that are released when you're talking that may contain the virus. And so that can build up over time. In homes, you have very poor ventilation, you have very low air changes per hour. And so any little air cleaner in a bedroom, in a living room, will do a lot to help reduce the concentration or buildup of any virus-containing particles.
Okay, now if a homeowner wants to take it to the next step, do you have some suggestions on what kind of air filter they could replace their existing furnace filter?
At the hardware store, I would recommend talking to them about what you need. There are home furnace filters that are called Electrete filters. They have been engineered to improve the filtration efficiency, but without the pressure drop that goes along with higher efficiency filters. I mean, I think in commercial spaces, if you can upgrade your filter efficiency to a MERV 13, then you should, because the recirculating air will be more efficiently cleaned through a MERV 13 for this kind of issue that we're trying to solve right now.
13 or higher is what they use in hospitals and commercial buildings. And if you have the more modern version, these are a very thick waffle type of a design. They're 3 inches wide right here, and they got a ton of surface area. Now, you don't have to have one of these expensive, well, they're not really expensive, but you don't have to one of these newer styles of filters. You can still get a higher rating, like a hospital, in a standard filter for a standard furnace or air conditioner, and you can still get that 13 or above rating. You just have to ask for it.